Welcome back everyone to our special video presentation on mastering the art of budgeting like a pro. In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances effectively has become more important than ever. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or simply seeking financial stability, having a solid budgeting strategy is key to achieving your goals. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of budgeting, exploring expert tips and techniques that will help you take control of your money and make it work for you. But before we proceed, let's address a common misconception. Budgeting does not mean restricting yourself to a life of deprivation. On the contrary, a well-planned budget empowers you to make informed decisions about your spending, allowing you to prioritize your financial goals. We'll explore how to create a realistic budget tailored to your unique circumstances, how to track your expenses accurately, and how to make adjustments along the way to stay on track. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button with notifications turned on to get notified when we update videos like this one. So let's get started on this exciting journey towards financial success and take the first step in transforming your relationship with money. Set aside 30% for fun money. To budget like a pro, it's crucial to prioritize both financial responsibility and enjoyment. Allocating 30% of your income for fun money allows you to indulge in leisure activities guilt-free. This category covers discretionary spending, including entertainment, dining out, hobbies, and personal treats. By setting aside a designated amount for enjoyment, you can maintain a healthy balance between saving for the future and enjoying the present, ensuring your budget is sustainable and realistic. A pro-level budget recognizes the importance of self-care and entertainment while maintaining financial stability. Creating a zero-based budget. To budget like a pro, embrace the power of a zero budget. This approach requires assigning a purpose to every dollar you earn. Begin by listing all your income sources and allocating funds for essential expenses like housing, utilities, transportation, and groceries. Once these necessities are covered, distribute the remaining dollars among different categories such as debt payments, savings, and discretionary spending. By giving each dollar a specific job, you eliminate wasteful spending and gain better control over your finances. This method ensures that your income is fully utilized and maximizes your saving potential. Take a daily money minute. To budget like a pro, it's essential to stay actively engaged with your finances on a daily basis. Take a money minute each day to review your spending, track your progress, and make necessary adjustments. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your transactions, categorize expenses, and identify areas where you can cut back or reallocate funds. By dedicating a small portion of your day to financial reflection, you develop a proactive mindset and stay in control of your money. A daily money minute helps you identify patterns, avoid overspending, and make informed financial decisions. Budgeting together. Budgeting becomes an even more effective one when done together with a partner or family members. Collaborations and collaborating on a shared budget allows for open communication, joint decision-making, and shared financial goals. By involving everyone in the budget process, you create a sense of ownership and accountability. Regularly review and discuss the budget as a team, identifying areas of improvement, and celebrating milestones together. Working as a unit increases motivation, reduces conflicts around money matters, and strengthens your financial foundation. Budgeting together like a pro fosters a healthy financial relationship within your household. Automate your savings. One of the key habits of budgeting like a pro is automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment account. By doing so, you ensure that a predetermined portion of your income is consistently allocated towards your financial goals. This approach eliminates the temptation to spend the money before saving it and makes saving a regular and effortless habit. Automating your savings allows you to grow your wealth over time like a pro without relying on willpower alone. Set a budget. Period. Budgeting like a pro starts with setting a budget and sticking to it religiously. Create a comprehensive plan that outlines your income, expenses, and financial goals. Track your spending meticulously, keeping an eye on every dollar that comes in and goes out. By setting a budget and adhering to it consistently, you demonstrate disciplined financial management like a pro. This practice empowers you to make informed decisions about your money, prioritize your goals, and ensure your financial success in the long run. Utilize cash for discretionary spending. To budget like a pro, consider utilizing cash for your discretionary spending. Instead of relying solely on digital transactions, withdraw a predetermined amount of cash each week or month and use it exclusively for non-essential expenses like dining out, entertainment, or shopping. By using physical cash, you become more aware of your spending habits and can easily track where your money goes. The tangible nature of cash creates a visual representation of your valuable and available funds, making it easier to resist temptation and prioritize your spending. This method helps you control impulsive purchases, fosters a sense of financial discipline, and encourages mindful spending. Consider an all-cash diet. Taking budgeting on to a whole new level, consider adopting an all-cash diet. This means using cash for all your expenses, including essentials like groceries and bills. By relying solely on physical currency, you eliminate the temptation to overspend or accumulate credit card debt. The all-cash diet promotes financial discipline, encourages responsible spending, and helps you to stay within your budgetary limits like a true budgeting pro. It may require some adjustments, but the rewards of improved financial management and reduced reliance on credit are worth it. Consider cash envelopes. One effective budgeting technique used by pros is the use of cash envelopes. Allocate specific amounts of cash for different spending categories such as groceries, entertainment, transportation, and personal care. Place each designated amount in a separate envelope and label it accordingly. This method provides a tangible representation of your budget and limits your spending within each category. As you spend from each envelope, you visually see the remaining cash, helping you make mindful choices. Cash envelopes ensure you stay on track with your budget and manage your expenses with precision, just like a budgeting pro. Conquer your debt. Budgeting like a pro involves tackling your debt strategically. Create a plan to pay off your debts, starting with high-interest obligations first. Allocate a portion of your income towards debt repayment and stick to it diligently. Consider using strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to accelerate your progress. By actively working towards eliminating your debts, you demonstrate financial expertise like a pro. Mastering the art of budgeting like a pro can have a profound impact on your financial well-being. You can take control of your finances and pave the way for a more secure future. So I'm curious to know, what steps have you taken to budget like a pro? And how has it positively influenced your financial journey? Share your experiences and insights below. Now it's time for you to share your thoughts. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more learning and inspiring each other towards financial success.